What's going on, everybody? In this video, I'm going to ask ChatGPT to tell me some lies. I'm going to say what it can make up. So let's go right into it. Tell me a lie. The sky is green. Tell me another lie. The earth is flat. Ooh. Tell me a crazy lie. Wow, okay, so it just breaks. Tell me a wild lie. The moon is made up of cream cheese. Okay. Tell me a 250 word lie. There is a secret society of shape-shifting unicorns that control the world's governments and economies. They have been living among us for centuries, disguising themselves as powerful leaders of influence. They possess advanced technology that allows them to seamlessly shift between their unicorn form and human form, and they use this to manipulate world events to their advantage. They are said to be immortal and possess magical powers such as telepathy and the ability to control the weather. They have a complex hierarchy and a strict code of conduct, and outsiders are not allowed to know about their existence. In fact, the society has been responsible for many of the major events in history, including the French Revolution, World War II, and the invention of the internet. They have infiltrated every level of society, from the highest ranks of politics and business to the entertainment industry and the media. They are determined to maintain their power and control over the world. They will stop at nothing to keep their existence a secret. However, a select few humans have been chosen to initiate the society. They have been sworn to secrecy about their involvement. Wow. Okay, now how about tell me a truth? Water is made up of 2 hydrogen atoms and 1 oxygen atom. Its chemical formula is H2O. Tell me something false that is commonly believed to be true. The Great Wolf Triangle is visible from space with the naked eye. The Great Wolf Triangle is visible from low Earth orbit. It's not visible from space with the naked eye. Oh, it's not wide enough. Yeah, 100%. The Earth, wow, it's really all about freaking. They're really not interested in flat earthers. But they are interested in the Great Wall of China. Anyway, that's ChatGPT lying to me intentionally. Thanks for watching. Hit the subscribe button. Bye-bye.